Today's going to be all about the headlights on the GV80. The lights for the Genesis GV80, front and rear, are all LED. The front headlights can be toggled between auto, the daytime running lights, the headlights, and your high beams, all through the left turn signal stalk. The blinkers, also front and rear, are LED lights as well. To turn the lights from off to auto, simply turn the dial on the left turn signal stalk up one click. To go from auto to daytime running lights only, turn the click once more upward. In order to go all the way for just headlights on, turn the dial to the third position. In order to engage the brights, go ahead and push the left stalk forward. In order to disengage the brights, go ahead and pull the stalk towards you. Thanks for watching. Leave your questions in the comments section, like the video, and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.